Hi, all. Welcome to Diversified Finance. Let's have a quick look at the Bitcoin price action. So probably a year ago, like January 2023, like last year, uh, if you guys remember, like you can go through my videos. I made a video somewhere when Bitcoin price used to be somewhere near like 17K. And I mentioned like, we are expecting Bitcoin to pump up to 50 to 60K or so. So now, as you can see, Bitcoin is at like 66,250. So I have actually taken some profit out of Bitcoin, but I'm holding on to my altcoins at the moment. So I'm sort of expecting a all season to come like later. I don't know whether it would happen, but right now, like, if I if we look at the RSI, right? So we always know when RSI drops to about like these levels like under 20, like where you see like extreme fear. That's also always a good time. That's always a good time to buy Bitcoin, right? That's the good time to enter the market. And likewise, right, when we see RSI at these levels, right, it's not a bad idea like to take some uh, chips off the table, right? You can sell some of your Bitcoin that you bought somewhere during this time, take some profit and have a bit of USDT just in case, because right now it's just going crazy. Like, it's still pumping. Like we could go all the way up to this trend line, which is like somewhere near uh, like 75 to 80K or so. Like, we are only like 4,000, 3,500 below 70K. So it could go all the way up there. But uh, do not forget, right? Now this is the weekly chart. So we are in overbought territory, right? So we could have like I'm not saying it's going to happen, right? There's a high probability we could have a correction once Bitcoin gets to like 70K or 80K, because now it's kind of like um, getting bit overboard at the moment, right? So if that happens, and let's say 10-20% correction, right, back down to like 50K or 40K, it'll be handy for you to have some USDT just in case, so you can buy back, right? And also do not forget, month of March, we always tend to see corrections for Bitcoin. If you look at the history, I mean, it doesn't mean it has to happen the exact same way this time. And also the traditional markets like Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and S&P 500, these markets are at all-time highs as well. So that's a good sign. So that means we could keep on pumping a lot higher. But let's not forget, right? If you bought Bitcoin during these levels, right, it's okay to take some sell and take some money out, right? So I'm holding about like 15% USDT in my portfolio, just in case if there's a correction, I'm planning to buy Bitcoin and all coins. So don't be greedy. You're supposed to be greedy at these levels, like when Bitcoin is at somewhere near 15, 16, 17K. That's where you're supposed to be greedy. Now when everyone's greedy, you're supposed to be fearful, like, and take some profit out of the market, just in case, because we don't know. Like, I'm not saying it's gonna crash, but especially for the month of March, we might, given that it's just gone parabolic now, there's a high probability we might have like not a crash, like a correction back down to 50 or 40K or so. There's a possibility it could happen. So that's all that. But I'm still hanging on to Ethereum, right? So I haven't sold Ethereum yet. We can also look at Ethereum as well. Um, yeah, so this is the Ethereum chart. So given that Bitcoin is at all like already at all-time highs, we could expect, right, if Bitcoin is not going to correct it in this like coming couple of days or coming couple of weeks, we could expect Ethereum to probably go back all the way up to like 5,000 mark or so, or beyond, right? Depending on what Bitcoin does. I'm not expecting Ethereum to go above its all-time highs on the weekly chart, unless Bitcoin breaks its all-time highs and close a weekly candle uh, end of this week, which is like next Monday. So let's say next Monday, if Bitcoin is at like 67K or 70K or 75K, there's higher likelihood that Ethereum would probably push above 5K to like 5.5 or something. But when Ethereum gets to probably $5,000 mark, right? I would also sell some Ethereum and then add some more to my USDT wallet, right? Just take some profit just in case, right? And then you know the story, right? So if Bitcoin, let's say at 70K and or 75K next Monday, and then for the next 2 weeks, if Bitcoin consolidates, that's when we see like all coins tend to pump, right? When Bitcoin's not doing anything, people tend to swap their all Bitcoin profits into all coins. So they mostly start with Ethereum, right? Large cap, which is Ethereum is a large cap, mid cap, small cap, micro cap. So I'm still holding my small cap and micro cap coins, because I'm expecting, like, just in case, like if Bitcoin consolidate for 2 weeks, not going to do anything, that's when you see like these micro caps will pump a lot harder. So Ethereum is like the king of alls, right? So if you see Ethereum is like right now, Ethereum is looking really good. If you just see Ethereum push towards like 5K, above 5K, that's like a clear sign that we are getting into a alt season, right? So keep that in mind. Yeah, so I mean, I'm holding like few alts, TGT, DC, got XRP, so I'm expecting XRP to do well, and XLM to do well. Let's see how they're going to pan out. Like they might not do much, but given that XRP didn't do much in the last bull market, most people are expecting XRP to for like $3-4 or so. Let's wait and see what it would do. But for us to see a full blown all season, we would rather see Bitcoin at like 75K above all time high. So that's probably give people, I would say, a lot of assurance, right? Okay, Bitcoin has gone above all time highs. Let's start buying all coins. So then we might see retail might come in and push the market higher. But if you look at the social risk, right? We are not seeing so much of retail compared to 2021, and like meaning normally, like during a bull market, when once Bitcoin has gone up above all-time highs, we do get like new people coming into the market. So we haven't seen that yet. So we are yet to see that. So I'm hoping once Bitcoin is above all-time highs at 75K, and then the spread news will spread like across the board, and then people will realize they'll come and FOMO in. So that will probably that could also push the altcoin market a lot higher. So that's what we read. Like, I mean, if you want to make more money from altcoins, we want to see retail, the new money coming into the market, right? Yeah, so that's a quick update regards to Bitcoin. So right now it's okay to take some profit from Bitcoin, right? Because Bitcoin has pumped a lot. I'm not saying just don't sell everything and get out of the market. I'm not suggesting that, because Bitcoin is the first coin to pump. And then I'm still holding on to my Ethereum because I'm expecting Ethereum to go to maybe like 5,000 or so. And I'm still holding all of my old coins, right? Anything below Ethereum, I'm still holding them, because when Ethereum pumps, people take profit from Ethereum and then they go into mid cap, and when mid cap pumps, they take money out and go into small cap, and small cap pumps where they take money out and go into micro cap. So that's how it has been for the past during bull markets, right? Past bull markets. So we expect the same thing to happen. Yeah, so that's it for today. I'll talk to you in the next video. See ya.